Hi, my name's Emma Ketirai, and I'm a systems strategist. And in today's video, we're going to talk about creating templates that you can use in Gmail. So you may be using a CRM in your business, you may be using email automation software, but sometimes people send you emails directly. They found your email somewhere, and you want to be able to respond to them directly through your Gmail account. So I'm going to show you how to set up templates so that you can save time doing that. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that templates are enabled in your account. So to do that, you're going to click on your settings, click See All Settings, then go to Advanced and make sure that this is clicked. This is on Enable, not Disable, right? Make sure it's like that and click Save Changes. Mine's already at that setting. Next, what you're going to do is click Compose and write the message that you want to send out. If you have an email signature enabled on all of your emails, make sure that it's not there, okay? So I'm just going to put this. This is like a sample email that I would send out. And here I'm going to put, thank you for reaching out, okay? And then what you're going to do is click More Options, go to Templates, and click Save Draft as Template, okay? And then Save as New Template. So there's a lot of different things that you're going to click on. So make a title that is, self-explanatory and click Save, okay? Then you're just going to delete that. So now in order to use this moving forward, you're just going to click Compose and click More Options, Templates, and now when you click it, it's there, and my email signature is added because it's always there when I go to respond or write an email. So this is how you do it, super simple, and it can save you a lot of time if you're getting a lot of emails sent directly to your inbox with people reaching out and asking you about your services. This is one way that you can do that and save yourself a lot of time. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.